Hey, welcome back to my channel. SENA 20S EVO 01 Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset. This sleek new antenna design improves upon intercom stability and even secures the intercom distance, while updates to the hardware allow for an even more robust general performance updates. Specifications: talk time, 13 hours. Operating temperature, -10 C 55 C. Dimensions: main module, 98mm x 56. 2mm x 31. 5mm. Speaker, driver unit 40mm, thickness 6. 5mm boom microphone, length 190mm wire between speakers, length 555mm weight, module, 61. The 20S EVO is the next generation of the original 20s, with an updated design and improved intercom functionality and stability to keep up with your ride. This sleek new antenna design improves upon intercom stability. The 20S EVO was designed with a fixed-type, shark fin antenna as opposed to its predecessor with the flip-up antenna. Fit type, universal, FM radio frequency specifications, 76-108 MHz, 10 preset station memory. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.